This video is on peripheral nerves. And just to review, remember the peripheral nerves come out of the spinal cord. The spinal cord is going through that central canal, the vertebral canal in the vertebrae. And then the peripheral nerves are coming out on the lateral sides, and they're coming out through the intervertebral foramen. And they're all over the body. There's 31 pairs of peripheral nerves coming out from the spinal cord, and they have both sensory tracts in them and motor tracts. Sensory tracts are carrying information to the spinal cord, and motor tracts are carrying information from the spinal cord. Then also you have your autonomic nervous system, which is coming out in the ventral tracts, because as we'll see in a lesson, they are motor also. Okay, so the next model that I have, remember that what nerves are made out of is they're made out of axons. They're made out of neurons. And this is a model of a neuron. You can see down here in this part, these pinkish things are all dendrites coming out. I'm behind it, so I'm going the wrong. These are all dendrites back here. Okay, dendrite, kind of the pinkish things. Here's the cell body with the nucleus in it, and then a long axon goes out on this end. So remember, that's the structure of your neuron: a cell body with a nucleus, a lot of dendrites, and then an axon going out. Okay, so that what a nerve is, it's a bundle of neurons, and the biggest part of it is the bundle of the axons because they're the longest. And now you can see, one more thing I want to show you. This actually is a muscle model, but it gives you the idea of bundling. Nerves are bundles of axons. So the little bundles would be axons, and then the big thing would be the whole nerve. So nerves are bundles of axons. Okay. Now, let's look at this model right here. You can see that the nerves go all over the body. Everything needs to be innervated, and basically the nerves are named by the region of the body that they're in. We have brachial nerves in the arm, we have a radial nerve and an ulnar nerve in the forearm, we have a femoral nerve in the thigh, we have popliteal nerves around the knee, we have tibial and fibular nerves, and then we have a bunch of nerves going both into the foot and into the hand. Now, another concept you want to get in this video is the concept of the plexus. The plexus is a network of nerves as it comes out from the central nervous system. And you see this right here. See this? See where my finger is moving around? That's called the cervical plexus. It's a bunch of nerves, a network of nerves where they're crossing. And then also, if you look down further, going into the arm, you'll see another plexus, another network of nerves, and that's called the brachial plexus, And then if you go down here into the leg, you'll see yet another network of nerves, and that network of nerves going down out of there. See where my index finger is? Going down out of there, that's the lumbosacral plexus. Sometimes they're divided into a lumbar plexus and a sacral plexus, but it's okay just to call it a third lumbosacral plexus. So a plexus is a network of nerves coming out of the spinal cord, Up here in the neck, that would be the cervical plexus. Going into the arm would be the brachial plexus. And going down into the leg would be the lumbosacral plexus. Okay, so that's a little bit about peripheral nerves. There's 31 pairs of peripheral nerves. Hope this helped you a little bit understanding the anatomy of the peripheral nervous system.